Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Sunday. Robert and I have already gone to Bel Air and done our weekly shopping. Lots of veggies this week. Lots of veggies. Yeah, should be a good time. First, I want to show you my shirt. It says, your opinion wasn't part of the recipe. That's right. All right. So yesterday I prepared a small lasagna using leftover Italian meat sauce. It was fun. No measuring, just dump stuff in a bowl. The ricotta and an egg and the parm. Get it all. Divided it. It was fun. It was fun to build, and really didn't make a big mess for a change. Yeah. So I'm going to put up the lasagna recipe up for you, just because I can. Today we're doing something simple. I have leftover hot dogs from the chili dogs I did last week. So we're going to have hot dogs with grilled onions, because I don't know how I did this, but I have a lot of diced yellow onions left over from various, So I'm going to get those all sauteed up. And how I like to do hot dogs, not all the time, but I like to heat up a saute pan with some olive oil, and I actually saute the hot dogs. It puts a nice little crust on them, and they're yummy. And I'm also going to be doing my version of my mother's baked beans. Let's get to it. Got some hardware going. Got the hot dogs. There's the onions I was telling you about. Of course, I got some buns, ketchup. There's the mustard, but it's over in the beans. There's the olive oil, and they'll probably bring out some other stuff like some cheddar cheese and some other things to go with the hot dogs. In the beans, I just used an original or a plain Jane baked beans in the can. Then I add molasses, brown sugar, and yellow mustard. There's the hardware for that. So it's super simple. And I let my ancestors guide me through the baked beans. There's no recipe. Nah. It's just what feels good. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.